Hey guys, welcome to another video. Thanks for watching. In the last video we changed out the water pump. That was yesterday. We also got a new battery for the car today because this one's completely dead. There's a few small things left to do, nothing major. We have to do the filter and just check nothing is leaking once it's started. But in this video we are definitely going to be driving it for the first time. And the next thing I'm going to do is just put on the cone filter. Now the problem is the filter obviously goes onto the turbo directly here. But as you guys can see, there isn't much space because of this bracket here. I should have actually cut the corner off it, but I bought a cone filter. Now this is the filter that was on there, obviously for space reasons because that bracket's there, but this thing is very old and it's definitely a fake. Also, I was thinking perhaps because it's foam and it's quite thick, this might be hindering some of the turbo noise. So I got myself this one. It was during lockdown, so very limited places was actually open. I don't think they were allowed to sell it to me, but they did. And yeah, paid 250 bucks for it. It says blue on it. Actually says a lot of stuff on it, like direct drive. I'm not sure what that relates to in a cone filter. Curl funnel effect. Curl funnel effect. What? I doubt that. And produces improved engine response and cuts fuel consumption. Sure. Geez, what are I turbocharge this thing? I should have just put this straight on the throttle body. Super power flow. Let's see if there's anything else. Yes, super lip funnel, super filter, super honeycomb frame. Honeycomb frame, okay. We'll see. Okay, so first off, this thing smells like, jeez. I assume this is what would smell like if you would go there. But yeah, looks nice. I'm not sure where the honeycomb construction is they mentioned, or the super swirl effect. But you know, other than that, looks good, smells terrible. Let's see if it fits in that space. Okay, so here's the filter, there's the space. Let's see if it will fit. Well, it looks like it's not even gonna fit. Go in there. Wait. There we go. Now the big thing is this bracket. Yeah, it's definitely touching. Okay, so it doesn't slide all the way in. But it actually fits, like it touches on this bracket, but hardly. Like if I literally just flex it a bit like that, now it doesn't touch. I'm gonna try and see why it doesn't slide all the way on, because if it slides all the way onto the turbo, obviously because it's in a cone, it won't touch anymore also. So I'm just gonna see if there's a okay, so there's a lip in there. Oh, I think that's what they meant by the super lip cone filter. Probably that. I'm going to see if I can cut this off, just so I can slide this thing all the way onto the turbo. Okay, so I just pulled this little cone rubber thing out and use a little Stanley knife to just cut the lip off. So now there's not really a lip on it anymore. So I'm just going to put it back in the cone and see if it fits better now. Okay, so now it slides in a bit deeper, slightly deeper. I put it at a slight angle, and now you guys can see it doesn't touch anymore. And now the big reason for this cheap cone filter is, number one, I wasn't sure it's going to fit, so I wasn't going to spend money on getting a BMC or a K&N, just because those are expensive, and this one was very cheap. Secondly, I actually wanted to test the sound, so I wanted to hear if this one will give me more turbo noise than the mushroom foam filter style one, because that one obviously is very thick and this one has a very thin filter paper thing. So in theory and what I'm hoping for is this one will give a bit more turbo noise, and you know, that's basically what it's all about. But yeah, other than that, it fits. I think it looks nice, and if it works and makes all the right noises, we'll probably just get a better quality one. Okay, so the car is back together and complete again. I fit the side skirts and the front bumper. Also did the lights and a bit of adjusting on the bonnet. It's not perfect yet, but you know, for now I just want it to be up and running. The battery died yesterday, so I went this morning, got a new one. However, I'm charging it because this little like indicator thing said charge. It's like a, I don't know, you look in there and it says you need to charge it, and you can see it's taking some charge. Probably been charging for half an hour. But yeah, while it's charging, I'm going to just wash the car because this car hasn't seen like daylight in probably 5 months that it's been sitting in this garage since we pulled the engine. Not that it was 5 months worth of work, just that I work at my own pace. I think it came out very well. Everything should be on and in. I couldn't really start it, so I just went ahead and put everything back. Put the strut stabilizer bar back. We have the filter on. I put water in it. We replaced the water pump yesterday, and it looks to be holding water. We also have a new radiator cap, and as you guys can see, there's still water in there. It is just normal tap water. Reason being, I actually saw that there's some dirt in it. I think the dirt may be coming from the heater core itself, so I'm going to actually flush it and then just put water in it again and flush it again, and then I'll put coolant in it. But yeah, if I put coolant in it first time, it would have all leaked out on the floor. Okay, so we are jumping it again. Looks like the new battery is also a piece of shit, so this will give us a bit more available cranking time. Excessive noises. No noticeable leaks. If we go inside, we can see we do have oil pressure. The oil pressure light's off. Idling quite nice. And now, looks good. Westgate's not connected yet. Well, that could actually cause a vacuum leak, to be honest. So I just took it around the block and everything looks fine, sounds fine. Thermostat works because both pipes are heating up. It's holding pressure. There's definitely oil, enough oil, because you can feel the lines heating up. I don't see any leaks from anywhere, which is very good. There is a bit of a grindy sound, that same one from before. It sounds like we know this pulley is grinding on the plastic cover down there. It sounds exactly like it. Well, it sounds exactly like that. So I think we're good. I did use a long screwdriver just to like listen in different places to actually listen if I can hear anything, and everything sounds fine. So yeah, we do have the oil pressure gauges working, so we know we have oil pressure. The temp is staying where it normally stays. So yeah, I did breach this just so the fan stays on, because that's broken off. I didn't put it into any boost, but I can hear this opening, and you know, it starts quite easy now, so well, that's good. Let's quickly start it. Anyway guys, thanks for watching. See you on the next one. Please like, comment, subscribe. I'll be driving the car to work for the next couple of weeks just to break in the new engine so we can start making some power again.